How to play music while playing a game on Android. This tutorial shows you how to listen to music in the background while gaming on your Android device. First, open your preferred music app on your Android device, whether it's Spotify, YouTube Music, or any other app. After that, find the song or playlist you want to listen to and tap play to start it. From there, press the home button to minimize the music app while keeping the music playing in the background. At this point, open the game you want to play. The music will continue playing as you launch it. In the next step, if the game automatically pauses your music, go back to the game settings and look for a music or sound option. Following this, turn off the in-game music and sound to prevent it from overriding your background music. Once done, go back to your home screen and reopen your music app and tap play again, then switch back to the game. From here, your music will now play alongside the game without interruption. Finally, you can also use the media controls in your notification panel to pause, skip, or adjust the volume of your music without ever leaving the game. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you enjoy music while gaming, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.